Okay, so in this video we're going to be installing some ratchet grips on the ATV. They are Kolpin Outdoors ratcheting grips. They got decent reviews overall. Some people say that they've broken, but you can put like guns, AR-15s, crossbows, shovels, rakes, axes, fishing poles. Pretty much can do anything on this, which I plan to do guns for a shooting range or, tools with the, rack. I'm really turning this ATV into a workhorse, which is what I would want. So, as I use my associate's degree to remove this packaging, I kind of swear some manufacturers just do this, and I don't know why. Don't know why they make it so hard to get into their product. So, let's see how. There we go. Alright, so right now what do we gotta do? Gotta do this. Okay. Okay. Now what do I gotta do? Put this up. Oops, nope, wait a minute. There's something securing. That, shoot. Okay, where did I put my snips? I just had them. They seem to like to walk off. Oh, here they are. Use this tool properly and remove. Absolutely love that. Just snips it right off. Put one there. And by the way, you're supposed to snip your fingers. So, if you're using this and you snip my fingers, I'm not responsible because you are an idiot and don't know how to use these right. Now, the next idiot is trying to get this package apart, which this is proving to be rather difficult. And, I could save you guys the embarrassment. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. Oh, look, more. Whoa, that. What what's in there? That sounds good. Just to see me struggle, because some of you are not. The mic says I'm using these wrong. You know what? Safety Sally's out there. I'm sick and tired of it. My channel is not meant to be a how-to tutorial. It's not. It's not. It's not what I want my channel to be. It's, kind of like vlog style. We're working on stuff together, and there's more pieces here. I think no instructions. So, you know what that means. Full freaking send. I should open these up on a bench. With stupid broken hose. Stupid box. Stupid heater. So here you go. They give you nice instructions. So it looks like I've got to take off the base. So let me read the instructions and I'll get back to you. Okay, so about half an hour later, they're finally on. It's easy to take them off. All you got to do is these two pins you push and you pull. Maybe, in theory. So this comes up, and then this comes out. That I don't like. I don't like how there's a split right there. So hopefully it doesn't affect it. They're on both sides. They're probably on both of them. But if anything, I'll just order them again on Amazon and be like, oh, I didn't get these clips. That's what I would do. I would seriously, if these ever break, which people say they do, I'd order them again and be like, they broke. We broke within the first week, so I sent them back. There is rubber gaskets that you can install. I don't recommend it because you got to tighten the ever-living snot out of these bolts to get them to hold, and metal on metal, oh well. And that's what that is. Nice and sturdy. nice and sturdy. I had a pair of vice grips. As you can see, the damage on the carriage bolts. They didn't fare so well in vice grips. But holy God, I had like vice grips holding this, vice grips holding the vice grips, or vice grips holding this so that it doesn't flop around. It's a pretty heavy install, I'd say. Wow. And of course, I'm not gonna. I mean, you can cut these bolts off, but they're gonna stay like that. I don't care. There's the inside of that. So they're sturdy for the most part. They go on. They click, and then you gotta spread this wide, and bingo, you're done. And then, which I'd have them on the open position at all times. So yeah, and of course they came with a nice sticker, so I put that on there. Adds probably another 50 horsepower to this, I'd say. 50 horsepower with a sticker. There you go. I have a sticker from Mr. John Deere 3720 still that I have not put on, and I think it's going to go on this. I think it's going to go below this. I forgot I had that. It's been sitting downstairs and on my bulletin board, and I just haven't put it on anything yet. And I think now it's a good time to put it on. Right there. So, yeah. Yeah. These look pretty good. Got some adjustments there to make, I guess. So I think I showed you there was another bolt option. I think I put it back in the box. But then this box is going to live there. What box? Anyway, so yeah. Cool. Well, I figured I might as well add this in here. So this sticker is actually a couple years old. He was giving out stickers one year, and I just had to pay for shipping, so I took advantage of it. So yeah, I think it's gonna go right there. Okay, one more thing before I conclude. What if we try to actually mount something to this? Just to demonstrate, therefore this video is fully complete. So we're going to do this. Uh-oh. Know what I can do? I'll fit it like that. Let's see how this fits in. And I got Kolpin straps to go over, but of course this thing really screws it up. But yeah, I mean it's not too tight, but I don't think it's gonna fall out by any means. I mean it's ratcheted on pretty good. Hang on, let's do it this way. I want to rest that on the trigger. That's better. So, yeah, there's a Ruger 223 or a Ruger Mini 14. That fits. I'm happy with it. Of course, I still have to tighten it, I see. Release the button, they release all the way. Okay. Okay, now how about an axe? Probably put it down like that. Yeah, very awesome. Alright. So we're going to simply peel the sticker back after I jab myself with... Oh, that's where that bolt went. Hang on, technical difficulties. Because I just jabbed my balls with a bolt. This bolt, I forgot it was still in my pants. Let's get that out of my pants, in the box, in the drawer, shut the drawer. There. Like we never saw it again. So anyway, let's see if I can, hopefully I don't break this sticker. Oh, look at that. And I don't care if my arm is in my way. You guys can... Of course, Kymco and their cheap-ass plastic. There. Now we just added 100 horsepower to this. No, 100 horsepower. Let's say 100 cc's. So now what's he, 450? Now she's a 550. There you go. I'll give you a close up. Always wanted to mount that on something. I finally did. There, we got the Kymco. So that's, oh yeah, like what? 25, 50, 75. So that adds 100 cc's to it. Freaking awesome. But yeah. Sweet. And yeah, go check out his channel too. There you go. Give him a shout out. We all gotta do that in the way YouTube is these days. God damn. Alright. Thanks for watching this one, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.